How to use vanilla gift card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can use vanilla gift card. So in order to use or redeem vanilla gift card, you'll have to open up a browser. Also check your internet connection. So once you open up a browser, on the web address bar, type in www.vanillagiftcard.com. In order to redeem it, you must have an account. Only then you can begin with the procedure. As you can see, in my case, I'm already logged in. So once you're logged in, scroll down right to the bottom from the main home page itself, and here you'll be able to find an article. So right in between, there is an option, multiple option. So in order to begin with, you'll have to go to check balance. So as soon as you click on check balance, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you'll be asked to redeem the code. So in order to redeem it, all you have to do is just provide in the card number, expiry date, and click the continue button. Balance will be added, and whenever you're making a purchase, you can get a certain amount of discount by using the following: saved gift card balance. So that's basically how you can redeem or use your vanilla gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.